Connecting Jira to Power BI enables seamless data visualization for project metrics like issues, sprints, and workflows. The easiest no-code method uses the Power BI connector for Jira app from the Atlassian Marketplace, free for 10 users, around $10 per month otherwise. Alternatives include Jira's REST API or third-party tools like Hevo. Requires Jira Cloud or server admin access and Power BI Desktop. Steps via Power BI connector. Install the app. In Jira, go to Apps, explore more apps, search Power BI connector for Jira. By AlphaServe, install 5 millions. Generate API token. Log in to your Atlassian account at ID, Atlassian, com, security. Create and manage API tokens. Generate token. Copy securely. Configure in Jira. In the app, go to Tokens, paste API token, validate and save. Then, Connectors, create data source, name it, select projects or tables, for examples, issues, sprints, fields, custom included, and filters, save. Copy the generated URL. Connect in Power BI. Open Power BI Desktop. Get data. Web. Paste URL. OK. Authenticate if prompted. Load data. Transform in Power Query. Filter. Merge datasets. Build visuals, for example burn-down charts. Refresh and publish. Set scheduled refresh in Power BI service. Publish report for sharing. Tips. Use built-in templates for quick dashboards, for example, velocity report. For API only, use Power BI's web connector with Jira's REST endpoint, like REST API 3-search plus token in headers. Troubleshoot. Ensure token permissions. Test with small datasets.